Now we will try and understand the types of index number. As far as the types of index number are concerned, there are two types. One is the simple index number and other is the weighted index number. When we talk of the simple index number, in this all commodities are given equal weightage. Potatoes, tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage, all of them are given the same weightage. But when we talk of the weighted index number, they are given different weights according to their value or according to their sale. So, that is the basic difference between a simple index number and a weighted index number. This can be understood in a more clearer way when we pick up an illustration. First of all, I will give you how to find out the simple index number. When the simple index number has to be found, you shall be given the commodities, you shall be given the value of the commodities of the base year and also the value of the commodities to which we shall make the comparison. For example, in this particular illustration, they have taken 5 commodities, fine, and the year that we have picked up is the base, the year that we have here is the 1994 and to which we shall be making the comparison. For example, if I say the tomatoes were 50 rupees in 1994, the tomatoes were 40, the cabbage was 10, cauliflower was 5 and capsicum was 2. When of the current year I talk of, in the current year they have risen from 50 to 80, from 40 to 60, 10 to 20, 5 to 10 and 2 and 6. This is what they have given it to you. And now we have to find out the price index number. When we are trying to find out the price index, what we do is we first of all calculate the price or the sigma price of the base year. In this, what we do is 50 plus 40 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2, which is giving me 107. Similarly, 2005, 80 plus 60 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6 is 76. 80 plus 60 plus 20 plus 10 plus 6 will give me 176. And thus, what I have here is my sigma of the index number of the base year and of the current year. And the formula which has to be applied for the simple index number is sigma of the current year upon sigma of the base year into 100, which is 176 upon 107 into 100, giving me 164.49. Now, once again try and understand, this was a simple index number in which to all the facts which were given about the price of the commodities, we have given them equal weightage and we have tried to judge it by the current year and the base year, okay, the year that we have picked up for comparison. So, this is a simple calculation for the simple index number. Now, I shall be telling you in the next clipping how we find out the weighted index number, in which we shall be giving weightage to different commodities in a different manner. That was the weighted index number that we are going to see in this clipping. In the previous clipping, we saw about the simple index number. In the weighted index number, the illustration which we have taken is that the commodities, for example, shall be wheat, rice, milk, ghee and sugar. The prices which they have given us or the weight which they have given us, that is how much were they sold, is 40, 30, 15, 10 and 5, which means I have the weight also. In the simple index number, there was nothing as weight. Here the weight has been given into consideration. So 40 plus 30 plus 15 plus 10 plus 5 will give me the sigma weight, which is 100. The next is the prices have been given of 1994. Of 1994, now what we have seen is that wheat was sold at 100 rupees a quintal, say rice at 200 rupees a quintal, milk was sold at 2 rupees a liter, and ghee at 8 rupees a kg, and sugar 1 rupee kg. This was in 1994. In 2004, now the price rise has been now the price of the wheat has become 200 rupees a quintal, rice 800 rupees a quintal, and milk has become 16 rupees a liter, and ghee 40 rupees kg, and sugar 6 rupees kg. This is the difference which has occurred in various commodities price rise. This is what they have given it to you. Now here I shall find out now the price relative. The first thing that we have to find out, it will be the price relative. To find out the price relative R, we will take this formula into consideration, that is P1 upon PO into 100. That is the base year and the current year multiplied by 100. For this, when we do this, we get 200, 400, 800, 500 and 600. After we have found the price relative, we will find out the price relative weightage. So, whatever is the price relative, we are going to multiply it by the weight that we have. That is 200 into 40 will give me 8,000. 400 into 30 will give me 12,000. 800 by 15 shall give me 12,000, and 500 into 10 will give me 5,000, and 600 into 5 shall give me 3,000. Now when I have done this, I will be able to calculate the sigma price relative weightage, that is 8,000 plus 12,000 plus 12,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000. Sigma price weightage will be 40,000. So the formula which has to be calculated will be the price index is equal to sigma RW upon sigma W, that is the price weightage upon the price weight, which is 40,000 and the weight is 100. 40,000 upon 100, which is 400. So the basic difference that you have found in both the methods, whether it is the simple method or the weighted method of index, is that in this one the weight has been given importance of various commodities, and thus the related price weight has come accordingly. Whereas in the other one, there was nothing as column weight and all of them were given similar weightage.